In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Restoring closed tabs in Google Chrome is essential for quickly recovering important pages, whether you close them by accident or after a restart due to an update. So let's start the video. So first open Google Chrome browser. The fastest way to restore a closed tab is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you are on a Windows PC, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. For Mac users, it's Command plus Shift plus T. And just like that, your last closed tab will reopen. And if you keep pressing the shortcut, it will keep reopening tabs in the order they were closed. Now, if you accidentally close the whole browser or multiple tabs, then open a new Chrome window and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Now move your cursor over History, and under Recent tabs, you will see an option to restore all tabs from your last session. So move your cursor over these 4 tabs and then click on Restore window. And all your tabs from the previous session will be restored. So that's how to restore or recover closed tabs in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.